You've probably been hustling for a while now, trying side gigs, flipping items, starting pages, hoping this one finally works. But the truth? Most people never make real money with side hustles. Not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard enough, but because of this. They jump from hustle to hustle without ever fixing the real reason they're stuck. They don't know how to diagnose failure. They try what's trending, copy what some influencer said, but when it doesn't work, they blame the algorithm, the market, the timing, never looking at the actual breakdown. That's the hidden reason. They keep grinding, but never step back to ask, why didn't this work for me? And the effects are brutal. You put in hours and get cents back. You stay up late watching others succeed while you keep trying. You start to question yourself, your confidence drops, money's still tight, stress keeps building, you're drained, mentally, emotionally, financially. And every failure adds another brick to the wall between you and freedom. Now imagine this. Another 6 months go by. You've tried 3 more hustles. Still nothing works. You're no closer to breaking free. No savings, no wins. Just more screenshots saved from other people's success stories. Eventually, you stop believing it's even possible. And that's when the dream dies. Not because you didn't want it badly enough, but because you never had the right approach. But here's the question. Do you actually want to change this? Because if you do, you can. Take a second. Seriously ask yourself, are you done with false starts? Are you ready to stop wasting time and finally figure this out? Then demand better. Because you deserve more than recycled advice. More than another easy listicle on TikTok. You need strategy. You need to know why the last one failed and what to do differently next time. Once you understand the pattern, you stop guessing, you stop chasing, you finally start winning. There is hope. We've seen it. People just like you, stuck, frustrated, doubting themselves. Turn it all around once they break the cycle. They stop following hype and start following a process. One that shows you what works, but more importantly, shows you why it works. That's how real results happen. That's why we built the You Can series. And it starts with this. Download our free guide, 5 hustles that actually work. Not fluff, not theory. Just real-world hustles that everyday people are using to make money now. It's free, no catches. Just click the link below and get started. And if you're serious about going further, if you're done wasting time, there's an upgrade available for just $19.99. It'll show you how to scale those hustles and fix the hidden problems that stop most people cold. You can win this game. You just need to stop playing it blind. Download the free guide below, and if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade.